easy. I just don't feel like doing anything. Selected participation.
This family makes me want to murder people.
Let me tell you how this is gonna work. You ain't gonna tell me shit. Listen. Suck my Shut up. Listen to me. Suck my you man. Listen. Suck my You will be here in the court on Monday. You'll be here sucking my Well, listen to me now. Go yourself.
Hey, buddy. Want this Cheetos? Jesus Christ! Oh, God, not again! Not again! Not again!
He left his toy in the rain. He waited to make sure it was okay.
Here you go, buddy. Good boy.
Everyone needs a little time to relax. And since practice was to gain fabric softness.
And what you need in your life is the booty pop pump, booty pop pump. You take it all the way back so you can maximize the pump, booty pop pump, booty. Telling her, give me the Sheba next time because the meow make. Hey, yo, who was that on your goddamn forehead?
I told you not to step out of the shower naked in front of my cat. Does he look okay to you? Does he? Does he look okay to you? I work at a dog daycare and I'm trying to dry this dog. She won't let me.
No! No!
Corey, you want to get up? I need to get up and take a shower. But I need to get up.
Every time my dad finishes a meeting, he says, "Thanks, guys," and I know it's time for a pat.
Thanks, guys.
Vamos tomar remédio? Isso. Vamos tomar remédio? Esse.